In what country is it okay to be a suspect in a horrible crime, a murder, that where the face is disfigured, like that of Emmett Till, and allowed to leave or flee town? This is a miscarriage of justice. Only in America. Iberia Parish, they done dropped the ball on the missing person report. They done dropped the ball on giving or sharing information. They've dropped the ball on issuing a city, a local, and a national Amber Alert. They have dropped the ball on charging Janet Irvin and her entire family. And they are dropping the ball still by allowing her to flee or leave town. Here's a video of Janet loading up a Uhaul truck and leaving town. Stay on the up and out.
Family moving items from the home into the U-Haul truck.
We have pictures of the family look like they're boxing up their things and the parent apparently trying to move.